Hello, myself I am Srikanth. My team members are Adarsh, Sanjeev, Akash. Currently we are pursuing BTech final year in ECE branch from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. We are working on project automated adaptive IR based traffic control and helmet detection under guidance of A. Sirisha ma'am. Our project objective is automated switching of traffic lights, adaptive traffic lights based on density of road, traffic lights priority control for emergency vehicles, helmet detection using machine learning. Components used in our project are Raspberry Pi, RF transmitter and receiver, voltage regulator and 4 IR sensors. Voltage regulator we convert 12 volts AC into 12 volts DC, and with the help of voltage regulator we convert the 12 volts DC into 5 volts DC, which is given to IR sensors and RF transmitter as power supply. Coming to IR sensors, we have potentiometer to adjust the range of the IR sensors from 2 cm to 10 cm. Coming to RF transmitter and receiver, RF transmitter has data in serial form which is encoded and transmitted to RF receiver, which decodes the data which is transmitted. Now the RF transmitter output and IR sensor output is given as input to Raspberry Pi, and the output of Raspberry Pi is given as input to the traffic signals. So when the density is detected in IR sensors or when there is a signal from RF transmitter, there would be green signal in that particular lane. Now coming to Raspberry Pi setup, we have downloaded the Raspberry Pi OS from their official website, and we have downloaded the HR software, and we have merged the both Raspberry Pi OS and HR software and flashed into memory, and we have inserted the memory card into Raspberry Pi and set up the Wi-Fi connection. After setup of Raspberry Pi, based on the connections we have coded in Python language, and we will run the code to get the results. Now coming to code running, this is the normal condition where the signal is green at lane 1, now the signal is green at lane 2, and the signal is green at lane 3, and the signal will switch to lane 4 with a particular timing of 7 seconds for each lane. Now coming to density condition, suppose when there is a density at lane 2, see the IR sensor has been detected the density and the signal is green at lane 2. Suppose there is a density at lane 4, the signal will transform into green at lane 4. Suppose there is signal from RF transmitter, if there is an emergency vehicle in lane 4, then the signal would transform into green at lane 4. Suppose when there is an emergency vehicle at lane 2, with a particular time gap, the signal would transform green into lane 2. So based on RF receiver output or IR sensor output, the signal will turn green. That is based for emergency vehicles condition or density condition, the signal would transform green, or else the signal will switch automatically with a particular time lapse of 7 seconds at each lane. So this is the project for traffic control. Now coming to helmet detection part, we have used a camera which is connected to Raspberry Pi in a USB port, since Raspberry Pi has 4 USB ports option. In helmet detection is done using deep learning technique. The methodology used is CNN. We have used convolution neural network because it has best ability to extract the features of an image. We have used a predefined dataset, and the dataset is trained using the TensorFlow framework. In this, when there is an helmet detected, it shows helmet detected and sends the mail to the respective mail ID which is given. The working of the project is so when there is no helmet, it shows there is no helmet, and the message continuously comes that no helmet is detected. And suppose when a person wears helmet, it shows helmet is detected and it indicates helmet detected. and sending mail, which means the mail would be sent to the respective mail which is given. In this way the helmet detection happens.